Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So my girl Danielle lost her fur baby a little bit ago. Here's a picture of the adorable guy. And she asked me to do an acrylic pour on a vinyl record with the colors. So I'm going to do my best in that. I have prepped the vinyl record here by just spraying it with black paint and primer in one. And then I put a little piece of tape over the hole on the back so that it won't go through. I'm going to be using just a smidge of white. The dog did not have any white, but that will just help to give some additional colors so we don't get a bland painting. And then this is a brown. I'm using some of the colors from MyArtscape. I'll show you real quick. They make some awesome paints. So the one I just used is burnt umber. And then I will also be using the yellow ochre mixed with a little bit of burnt sienna. And that's this color. And that kind of represents the lighter colors on the doggy. Let's add a little bit more white. So the white I'm hoping should blend pretty well. And then we're definitely adding some black in here. All right, this is a 12-inch record, so we're going to need to fill up basically this entire thing. Just going to do a little bit more white. And this is just going to be a wall art piece for her. And of course, if she wanted to make it into a clock or anything else like that, she definitely can. But this is what she asked for. All right, that should be plenty of paint. So here we go. On a round surface like this, I find the best is just the tree ring. I know I do a lot of tree rings. I just love them. And I think this will be good here. One of the things I've liked about using these MyArtscape paints for something like this is that they have really good like earth kind of colors, as you can see. And then also just they do really well with making some cells on their own. So I'll put a link in the description if anyone wants to check them out. I haven't used them a ton, but whenever I do, I'm certainly happy about it. Okay. I do have a spot here where it looks like, oops, the paint is not mixed in very well. So it's just kind of a glob of paint, which is very unfortunate. There's not really a way to get it out because it is a glob. So I'm just gonna kind of smash it in there a little bit and then tilt just a little bit more. And hopefully that kind of at least blends it in somewhat. All right, I think that's fine. So what we're gonna do at this point is we're gonna let this sit here for a little bit, see what else develops. As you can see, we have some really awesome cells here. There is no silicone in this painting, by the way, guys. This is just the paints reacting themselves. And then we will be back for a close-up. All right, so we're back. As you can see, fun cells all throughout here. I love this. I hope you guys like it as much as I do, and I really hope that Danielle loves it. So let's do our close-up. So we're gonna just kind of go around. Here's where I had that chunk of paint, but I think I blended it in pretty well. That just means I just didn't do the greatest job of mixing. It happens, especially when you're using thicker paints, and these MyArtscape ones are fairly thick. But really, obviously really earthy colors here. And I think, I had the one photo of the doggy. I think I matched the colors pretty well. And I think it's pretty awesome. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you all next time.